Jimmy Fallon.
Jimmy Fallon, yeah. One of them was like, "Thank you, cattails, for being nature's corn dogs."
Are you locked in the rear?
No.
Okay, you're open. Yeah, he's in full drive. I'm gonna try and get the relationship between the front bumper. Trail's over here.
He's on the back. It ain't a picture.
That's just a little vehicle. Doesn't have enough lights on it. Okay, the winch sticks out.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's filming right now. See? Oh, denied on camera. He just went up in like 2 seconds ago.